sekta mar thieth dwaro mondo obed kolony e tiyo yedhe magayo kute matama medruok tiyo kod yedhe ng'ete kaka gi migawo thieth kod migepe mamoko ochopo e romo mar puonjo jolony e weche thieth e wi chenro ma idendo kaka antimicrobial resistance kata AMR ma itudo kod yedhe magayo kute matama kod medruok tiyo kod yedhe ma kamago. Bende oseyo jopiny owere kod wach nyiewo yedhe maonge puoth mar lakteche. Tiyo kod yedhe go oyangi ni kelo thoe mathoth kopim kod tuoche mamoko.
Such as the UN, there's an outbreak, and now the rest of the animals are treated, get their way into the environment. Has not only found in the agenda of AMR has not only found its space inside international organizations such as the UN, but people in various countries are talking about it. In addition, the resistant bacteria and resistant genes, as we know it, do not have any respect.
Single cause. There are many causes. We should begin by saying, once you use antibiotic, resistance is inevitable. It is something, the sun is rising in the east, it has to set in the west. It's an inevitable thing. So what stimulates AMR is antimicrobial use. The only way to stop AMR is to stop using antibiotics, which is also not possible. Because we have sick patients, we need to treat them. What we can do is minimize the resistance and delay the resistance. Use different antibiotics according to certain careful standard precautions.